Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to access basic builder classes on Erudite Portal. If you have already logged in, great. If not, watch our previous video to learn how to log in. After logging in, you will be directed to the portal dashboard. Beside the dashboard, look for the Learn section, click on it, and within Learn, find Online CAT 2024 course. Click on it to access its content. Scroll down within the course until you spot the Basic Builder tab. Inside the Basic Builder tab, you'll find lessons on quantitative aptitude, that is QA. Click on the QA tab to access content organized by topics. You'll find class recordings and handouts for each QA topic. Now, to access reading comprehension lessons, go back to the Basic Builder tab. Click on the RC tab and there you have it. All the content neatly divided topic-wise. Enjoy your learning journey with Basic Builder classes on the Erudite Portal. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for such tutorials. Thank you for watching.